How would you like to be able to train 24/7 with unlimited ammo? All right, guys, hear me out. I know what this looks like, but take a look at this video. Okay, so pretty cool, right? So this is Ace VR, right? This is VR virtual. I know, I'm a tactical guy, but this blew my mind, all right? Be able to train and have a realistic like feel and grip of something like this, all right? This thing is weighted. It feels like a weighted pistol, like the Sand Viper is what this is modeled after. This is the Ace VR system. It comes with this handset. You can purchase a holster. It's really, really cool. I'll show you guys here their website. So this is the Ace VR website. Scroll down here. It's a subscription style service. So you do need a subscription. There's a discount for law enforcement, military, and it's pretty inexpensive. There is a multitude of different stages that you guys can train with here. And the guys from Ace are adding new stuff like every single week, guys. You can, participate in tournaments. You can just train. You can go off the shot timer. You have the realistic feel. VR is taking firearms training to the next level, hands down, all right? It's really amazing to be able to train, not to have to burn up a ton of money in ammunition just trying to figure things out. You can get the mechanics of how to shoot with a system like this. Now, I totally understand. This will never replace actually getting out there on the range and training with your firearm, right? It's never like, this doesn't have recoil implemented in it yet. Hopefully they'll do something like that, or at least some sort of vibration, but you won't get the true feel of having recoil and other factors of just being out there on the range. So this is not what this video or this thing is designed for. It's just, again, another training aid, another tool for the tool bag or kit bag for you to be able to be more comfortable, more effective, more accurate, and faster with firearms, and being able to train specifically, number one, in a very safe setting, all right? No live ammunition whatsoever. This is all VR, virtual reality. All right, so crack open this bad boy right here. The handset here, I'll pull off the Oculus 3 controller. It just sits in the box right here. It comes nicely wrapped. It's got some packaging, some cool Ace stickers. I'll probably slap one of these on my headset. A signed little note here from the guys. I mean, I really like what the guys over at Ace are doing. They are really helping out the gun community, the firearms community, 2A community, in allowing people to train in a safe manner, again, without having to burn up a ton of ammo. So this is the Sand Viper, the Terran Tactical Sand Viper model. I shoot primarily 1911s, and like the amount of money I'm gonna be able to save with, again, just getting better with the mechanics of speed, not having the recoil, I get it. And you're actually able to do the scoring just like I showed you guys. Really, really cool setup here. So I've got an Oculus 3 headset. I think it'll run an Oculus 3S for Ace VR. I don't know if it'll run the Oculus Quest 2, but the 3S or the 3 will definitely work. You'll need one of these. I picked one of these bad boys up used for like 250 bucks. You find them on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, and other apps out there. I've got the BoboVR Headstrap that, again, is way more comfortable, has a little fan built in here, and gives me 10,000 milliamp hours of additional gameplay. So that roughly translates up to about 2 to 3, maybe 4 hours of additional gameplay, depending on how crazy I'm getting. So you'll need the Oculus Quest. You'll need to sign up for a Meta Horizon account. You guys can go ahead and find me on Meta Horizon at TSOD. Hit me up. I'd love to do a match with you guys there in Ace VR or a competition. So let's check out some more gameplay, a couple stages here.
All right, here it is. Here is the hut. So as you can see all around me here, these are all little things like a little workbench, a little range house before you kind of go outside and you're able to, go through some of the drills. So I will just show you guys basically like the main interface. So you got the safe here where you can swap out different pistols, and then you got like sort of your community dashboard, performance dashboard here. This is kind of the meat and potatoes here of the main sort of range hut. You can do thrills, drills, and different skills here. We'll click on thrills. As you can see, it's got a bunch of different things that you can do. You can scroll over here. We'll go back for you guys. We'll take a look at some drills. They've got just individual drills and then, sort of match simulation. So we'll take a look at drills here. A bunch of stuff here. We'll go back. Go back to drills. Take a look at the series, right? Some of these things will get you ready for different things, such as USPSA, seal shooting. We'll take a look at skills here, different things, different stages, all this good stuff. So now we're gonna get into just some basic shooting drills. We'll take a look at one of these. So for this sort of first one here, let's check out PewView's range here. All right, this looks fun. I think this one's open range. It doesn't have a stage brief whatsoever, so I think it's just like however you engage. Right, not bad. Let's do it.
Stand by.
Now, the pricing for Ace XR, Ace VR membership or subscription annually, right now, as of the time of making this video, is about 168, 170 bucks, or about 19 bucks a month. And again, you can play all of the matches, all the different stages. It's really cool. They've got a really good following on Facebook. You can join the Ace VR, Ace XR group there. And, guys are really taking it to the next level. So let's go over the handset just a little bit. It's got a realistic trigger with a trigger pull that again connects to this Oculus handset. There is a magazine release button as well that will actually activate in the game, and you just basically tap the bottom of the handset there, and you're able to reload. So there are some nuances here, but I mean, a lot of the internals are in there, and the guys definitely have been improving the system, this specific VR game. And I think it's really, really cool. All right, guys, that is the Ace VR setup in a nutshell. I just got my hands on it. I plan to put a lot of hours into it. Again, just using this as a training aid or as a tool. This is no way, like I said, designed to substitute actually getting out there on the range and using your firearm to become proficient with it so you're more comfortable more accurate with it. Okay, so that's all I got for you guys here on the T-Sod Show on this episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Once again, you guys can find me on Meta Horizon at T-Sod if you guys want to hit me up for a multiplayer game. I will be streaming a lot of my gameplay sessions from Ace VR on my channel here on YouTube on multiple platforms. So make sure you guys follow me for updates, and I will see you again soon. Peace.